Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to talk about Shopify pricing plans. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the different Shopify plans that are available right now, highlighting their pros and cons to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. So here's the deal. Every Shopify plan starts with a free 3-day trial, and you can extend that for $1 in the first month. Now, you need to know that the plans will be different in price according to which payment you are going to choose. Are you going to choose payment by month, or you are going to pay yearly? So if you are going to pay yearly, you will get 25% discount. So when talking about the basic plan, when paying monthly, it will cost you $32 per month. And when paying yearly, it will cost you $24 per month. While in Shopify plan, you will pay $92 per month. And when paying yearly, you will get it with $69 per month. And in these two plans, you will get all the essentials that you need for small to medium stores. But when talking about the advanced, it will cost you $400 per month. And of course, with the 25% discount, you will get it with $300 per month when paying yearly. But when talking about the Plus, which is a very special plan, it will start from $2,300 per month, and it will increase if you add more and more features according to what complexity of your business. We will not talk about the Plus plan, you will just talk about the basic Shopify and advanced plans. And now let's first talk about the basic plan. Basic plan is perfect if you are just starting out. It lets you set up and customize an online store with Shopify's integrated theme editor. You can easily manage orders, products, and customer details from your Shopify admin. This plan also includes a built-in blogging engine, 2 staff accounts, competitive transaction fees, as SSL certificate, and performance tracking reports. But if you need something a little more robust, the Shopify plan might be your best bet. It has everything in the basic plan, but with lower credit card rates and transaction fees. Plus, you get 3 extra staff accounts, additional reports, and support for international commerce through Shopify markets for growing businesses. Now, when talking about the advanced plan, it is the best way to go. It includes everything from the other plans and offers the best credit card rates and transaction fees. You also get carrier calculated shipping, super detailed reports, and the ability to create custom reports. On top of that, it gives you 15 staff accounts and full international commerce support, including duty and tax calculations and price adjustments by country or region. Now, the great thing about Shopify is that you can cancel your account or change your plan at any time, whether you are upgrading or downgrading. So you have the flexibility to switch things up as your business grows. And don't worry about support. All plans come with 24/7 customer support. However, if you need any further help, you can ask me down below in the comments. And that's all for today's video. That was a small overview of every plan in Shopify, but you can find more details on their websites that I will leave down below in the description. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.